Okay, what's up YouTube? It's One here. I'm just showing you how to take an Xbox 360 apart. This is my premium. The DVD drive is broken on it. I'm waiting for a replacement. But let's get started anyway. First, as you want to remove the hard drive first. Then you want to take your faceplate off, like that. Then you want to take this part off. Mine's broken because of the past owners that have had it. But anyway, yeah, you just want to pull that off. And at the bottom, mine's broke as well, so you just want to pull that off. But mine's snapped always. So, and then once you get to this part, there's some clips. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. So see what you want to do. You want to unclip them and pull them off like that. Now, this is where you would need a small flathead screwdriver, like that big. Basically, there'll be some holes. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Basically, what you want to do is you put your finger on the end and push, and you just push inside the holes and then click, like that one. But mine's broken, so only some of them click. I'm just going to start on this end first. As you just heard it click them. And then you want to do the other side. And then that would come off like so. That can be thrown away. Not literally, but yeah. Then you would need a starhead screwdriver. I can't remember which size, but I'm sure you're smart enough to work that one out yourself. Let me just find my magnet piece. There it is. And basically, you want to undo the big screws, these ones. So there's one there, then there's one there, one there, one there, and one there. When I undo them, there should be 7 or 8 of them. I can't remember how many exactly, but I know there's about 7. Basically, you just want to undo them. Stick them wherever you want to put them. Yeah, this is the one where it has ISO lobbies and that. This DVD drive was flashed, but as I said at the beginning of the video, the DVD drive just does not work. Okay, we've been doing them. And there's one. Oh, my back, damn it. Okay, I am missing a couple of screws, but I don't know where the hell I put them, but make sure you got all of them yet. Should be 6, I think. Okay, then that's off. Then your Xbox is apart. But if you want to be doing hot swapping, what you want to do is pull your little eject button thing off, and here there's 2 parts that connect to the DVD drive. Basically, you want to pull that out like so. So you've just got your hard drive, not hard drive, DVD drive, sorry. And you would need what size is this? About size 2 maybe. Size 2, 4-head screwdriver. Oh shit. Like that. And then you want to undo the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Right, wrong size, sorry. This one. Copy that I wanted. Undo this. And just shove. Oh, what's taking this so long? screws jammed. Hang on. There we go. 1. 2. 3. Oh crap. And 4. And now I'll just let these screws fall out, like so. You want to get the bottom, and then that will just fall off. Then the tray comes off, like so. Then you've just got empty case and your DVD drive. This is the one that's broken. And you want to get this, and normally this will be super glued down, and you want to get that. You want to twist, then the magnet comes off, and the black piece at the bottom comes off. Put it back on. Make sure that you put it back together, because if you just put that on, the disc will spin and it will break. Then that's back on, and then it's connected, as you can see. Okay, so there you go. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.